Hello everyone, welcome back to another day in the life vlog, lockdown life. I haven't filmed one in a while because there's genuinely been nothing to report on apart from, sorry about that, Bonnie has a toy obviously, apart from the kitchen obviously. So I shared our renovation updates last week, so thank you for being so lovely and kind about our kitchen. So much excitement about like what it will look like when it's done. Obviously the drilling downstairs is loud. I've got a massive spot that's made an appearance here, which is not ideal. Oh, it really stings as well. Real life though, real life, lockdown life vlogs. So it's a Saturday and I've been up since 6:30. Bonnie gets me up at that time every day, and so I take her out for a wee and I give her breakfast, and then she comes back upstairs and goes back to sleep. So then Benji and I took her out for a nice walk at about 9:30, and then we came back and made bacon and egg sandwiches. So that was the morning so far, and it's now almost 11. So I'm going to show you some bits around the house today. I've got some washing to put away. I did a dark and a light wash, so I need to put these away. I'm going to put a bit of makeup on because I need to film a cameo video, and I need to film an ad for Readly, who are one of my regular brand partners on Instagram. And yeah, we'll show you downstairs. And oh, tonight I'm doing a Valentine's virtual chit chat with some friends, and we're doing face masks and wine and chit chats and games. So I'm really looking forward to that. So I'll show you that as well, see if the girls want to say hello. They're all my internet girlfriends. I have sort of like non-internet friends, and then these are my internet girlfriends. So Bianca, who I do the podcast with, my other friend Cherry, Rachel and Laura. So yeah, I'll get them to say hello. Really looking forward to it actually. But yeah, speaking of Bianca, just reminded me, I also just wanted to say thank you so much to all of you that have supported the podcast. We launched at the beginning of January and we have 7 episodes out now. By the time this video goes up, I think number 7 would just gone out, and loads of you are so enjoying the podcast. Like, it's been such an amazing project, and I absolutely love recording it with Bianca. And on Thursday we recorded another episode. We stopped recording and then we just carried on chatting for like hours afterwards. It was so nice. So yeah, sorry, that noise is a lot. Right, I'm ready for the day, and I put on my favourite Spotty Next jumpsuit that I basically live in. So apparently Benji just called up to say that our dishwasher is working, which is the final element in the kitchen that wasn't on. So I'm going to go and check that out. We've had a bit of an issue with our heating this week, and where it got so cold, one of the pipes has frozen or keeps freezing. Obviously when it gets sunny, the warm weather warms up the pipe and then the heating comes back on, but I've reset it like 3 or 4 times this week. So we've established which pipe is freezing, which is the issue, and Benji's got some insulation and he's up on a ladder outside, so he's trying to have a look at that. Oh, running up and down the stairs. I've just given Bonnie a little treat because she's such a good girl. You're such a happy dog, aren't you? Always wagging that tail. You got a nice little treat, didn't you, for being a good girl? And we've been on a nice walk this morning, and your daddy threw you a frisbee, didn't he? I am going to shut you out though because it's noisy in here. Good girl. Yes, I'm just doing the washing up, but I've boiled the kettle twice and it's still not quite enough to fill up the sink. But anyway, that's what I'm doing now. The time's just going today. It's 11:30 almost. I feel like I've achieved nothing yet. But it is Saturday. We watched the new WandaVision last night. Oh, it's so good. I did work with Disney Plus to promote WandaVision, but I obviously hadn't seen it when I was promoting it. But they told me that like it's going to be epic. And I was like, I know it's going to be epic. I've seen the trailers, so I can't wait. But each week it just keeps getting better and better, and it keeps leaving us on a cliffhanger. So yeah, I've been loving that, and we've been addicted to Married at First Sight Australia. We're on like episode 29 of season 6. We've gone straight in at season 6, the latest season, because that's what everyone's talking about. And I would recommend it if you're looking for some trash, but Benji watches it with me. I think it's just quite fun, like, to watch it with your partner. And we talk about like different people's behaviours and what we think of each person, and yeah, it's just quite shocking, but very entertaining. And we did make the rookie mistake of like having a look at everyone's Instagrams recently, so we did get a few spoilers, but that's okay. But anyway, that's the day. Haven't haven't had a cup of tea or a coffee yet. I think I might make one while I'm boiling the kettle 1,000 times, but I'll let you know how we get on. Okay, so he's up on the side of the house. He was out here on this window. Right, let's have a look. He told me to reset the boiler. All right, this is the issue, F28, so we don't want that basically. Okay, it sounds promising. Also, while I'm in this cupboard, I don't know if I showed you the before. I've actually got the before on Instagram, but let me put that back in there. That's my cleaning. I've got 2 cleaning boxes up here now. I've got most of my cleaning stuff up here for a minute, but yeah, I redid this cupboard last weekend. So we've got bath mats and towels, cleaning products, bath stuff, spare toiletries, miscellaneous things, sun cream, toothbrush stuff for electric toothbrushes, and then Bonnie's shampoo and conditioner. I buy her Wild for dogs. It's really expensive, but it smells amazing and her fur is so soft. So I think it's worth it. And I bought these when we first got her and there's still a bit left. So I do think a little goes a long way, but yeah, is this firing back up? Normally the temperature goes up on it. This is such thrilling content, but this is what we wanted. This number going up. Woo, okay, so we're back in business, so shut that. I love our new kitchen so much. I know it's not done yet, but the spotlights. Still got wires coming out of walls. We'll get there, we'll get there. Right, I'm gonna do some vacuuming, hoovering, but as you can see, Bonnie rips apart all her toys. This is her latest one, Straub. Come on in. You want to throw it for you? You want to play tug of war? She loves this one. She sleeps with it at the moment. You know it's her favourite when she takes it to bed with her. But, I mean, that is obviously a bit of a toy that she's just ripped apart. Right, okay. Go on then. And I'm just going to sort it all out. Tidy up a bit. I've got some stuff in this office I need to tidy up. I take the toys away from her when I start to notice that they've got holes in, and I obviously can either sew them up or just bin them, but sometimes I don't notice. Like this one at the moment obviously has a hole in, but she doesn't eat the fluff. As you can see, it's all over the floor. So I was just tidying up my beauty desk area. There hasn't been a moment of quiet, I'm afraid, so I'll make this quick. But I recently got to work with Elegant Touch on Instagram, and I've been using their nails for years, and they gave me a couple of different colours and styles and stuff, so I thought I would stick some on. I love them. These are the Luxe Looks Misbehaviour, just in case you're interested. And I just thought, I'm wearing blue today. They're like a baby blue with a little bit of glitter on these ones. But yeah, looks like I've had them done at the salon. I love them. And then when I don't want them so long, because they are a little bit long for me, they sent me a fake nail clipper to clip them down and file them. Love it. So yeah, I'm just gonna put the spares back in the little pot, and I do keep the spares just in case, you know, one pings off. But actually I think they've improved the glue, because I got 9 days out of my last pair, and that was including doing some renovation stuff. So I think you could probably get a little bit longer if you're not as harsh with them like I am. So yeah, I'm definitely going to keep the glues because they're very good. So in fact, I'm going to pop them in this little drawer here, like that. They feel really nice on my scalp. It's probably really gross, but it feels really nice. Anyway, right, what's next on my to-do list? I've got loads of stuff to do today. I need to film a cameo video, but obviously that's not going to be ideal because the noise, although it doesn't take me too long. I normally film for like anywhere between 30 seconds to 1 minute. I basically use an app called Cameo to do videos for people, because I get so many requests come in that Cameo is just a really great place for me to have all of the requests in one place. I won't say who this is for, but she basically said, I've been suffering with depression and anxiety, and I'd love a video telling me that I can do this, and maybe a few tips for looking forward to the future. Maybe something about Disney if you can, as I love Disney trips. Thank you, you're so awesome. Honestly, I'm so sorry if any of you are feeling that way right now, and I'm thinking of all of you. She wants a video telling her that she can do this. You can do this. You got this. I've got some words for her. I know what I'm going to say. I can't film this Cameo video or read Lee or anything that I really want to get filmed today, because The noise is too much downstairs, so yes, I think I'm gonna have to wait. Another thing I've been enjoying recently is I'm not a massive fan of true crime stuff, but I've recently discovered Kendall Ray, and I've watched a few UK true crime YouTubers, but never really sort of binge watched anyone. But Kendall Ray, I've watched so many of her YouTube videos. I'll leave her linked below. She just is a really good storyteller. And yeah, I just enjoy having her videos on in the background, so I've been listening to all these crazy stories. True crime stories, just, yeah, insane. But anyway, it's 12:30 now, and I obviously can't do much filming. I mean, I can record now, but I can't do the stuff I wanted to do. I've done the washing up, I've done my makeup, I've done my nails. Oh, I need to go and put the washing away. Let's do that next. Right, this is my next task. I'm also going to sort out this that Benji has left, and then I'm going to hoover. So, good. So a few years ago, we were very kindly gifted this Hoover vacuum. Hoover's the brand. It served us really well over the last 3 years, I think we've had it. But since we've had this lovely thick carpet and we have a dog, I'm finding it struggling a little bit. Probably not going to do it now, but turn it on. Already it doesn't sound great. Okay, there's a bit, I'll pick that bit up at the end over there, but there we go. It does that. And so when I check it out underneath, like what's going on, I mean, it's absolutely filthy because we're in the middle of a renovation, but there doesn't seem to be anything abnormal. There's a little bit of my hair there, but nothing crazy. Basically, I'm not overly happy with this anymore because why is it doing this? Yeah, it's just making weird noises and it's not working properly. Bonnie doesn't like the Hoover very much. Hello. Yes, thank you for the kisses. I think we need to get a shark Hoover, Bonnie. A new one, a new vacuum. What do you think? Get a shark? Yes, I've got a couple of emails to do. How many emails have I got? I've got 39 emails to just sort out. And I like to try and get to inbox 0 each week, which is obviously the goal, to get all of my emails back down. So yeah, I'm gonna do that next. Okay, I've finished all my emails now and it's 3 o'clock, so it's looking really cold out there, but I'm gonna go and take Bonnie for another walk. Shall we go to the park? Do you want to go for a walk? Mummy can listen to a podcast and you can go and run around. Does that sound like a good plan? Is that little tail wagging behind you? I think it is. I think it is. That is our cue. We're off to the park. I'll be back in about half an hour or so. Still haven't shown you Benj today, just because he's downstairs and I'm trying to keep out the way. These vlogs are just so boring. Not going anywhere, doing anything fun. Oh my god, that was so cold. I wore gloves and a hat and had my hood up, but my hands, oh, I don't know if you can see, they're like red. Oh, freezing. Cannot wait for spring to come. I'm not digging lockdown life with the cold weather, but I am grateful that it's not raining today, which is something. Okay, so I'm home and changed, trying to warm up again. I am wearing my pink loungewear outfit from Georgia Asda. This is my little outfit, pink, because, you know, it's Valentine's. And I am not chatting to the girls for a while, but I'm not sure whether to take my makeup off now, because we're doing face masks. Also, let me show you. Under here in the bathroom, I have a whole face mask, box. So I'm probably going to use one of these little hairband things. So I have some that I use with a brush, like Mask of Magnanimity. That's Lush. That's just a great face mask. But I think it will just be easier to do a sheet mask. Oh, I love these as well, like under eye masks. Big hairband. So I'm thinking of picking out a sheet mask, and I have so many, and my skin definitely needs it. Will I embarrass myself if I wear this one? Yeah, I think I will. Yeah, I don't really want to look like a cat today in front of the girls. What's this? Ooh, gold firming sheet mask. Oh, I like the ones where they split, you know. I need to have a think. About where I want to chat to the girls, because I normally do Zoom calls and stuff on my computer in my office, but I feel like having a girly catch up, I'm gonna want to be on the laptop. Oh. Yeah? Oh. So Benj and I bought this shelf from Next ages ago because when we come home and hang the keys up, we want to put, I don't know, a wallet or a letter down, or I don't want it to be cluttered, but we do want something there because we keep dumping everything over here and it's just becoming a hot mess. That's not going very well. The wall is just so bad. I think he's going to try again a bit higher. Okay, the bare shelf is now up. Obviously, there's a bigger gap this side than that because of the way that the shelf goes. That was a lot more stress than we thought it was going to be. I think I'm going to have some sort of nice plant maybe there. And this is just the shelf of like dumping things. So his wallet, which is a constant annoyance of mine. Anyone else have this? He just obviously dumps his keys in his wallet. I don't want this to be a shelf of dumping ground, but I want this to be empty. You look really tired.
I feel really tired. I've done it.
You've done it. You've done the floor.
Yeah.
Ready, guys?
So
look at this.
Applied all the way around from there all the way through here.
And just for anyone that's new, the reason we obviously have ply and then what is this, cement? Latex.
Oh, it's because there used to be what I presume is a conservatory going out the back here. So this is all like red tile.
Yeah, like stone underneath.
You can't just put plying over it, and they're at different heights, like the floorboards and the stone, the tiles are different heights. So we've plied over the floorboards. So anywhere there's a floorboard underneath, there's ply, and then anywhere there's a tile underneath, we've got the latex.
Yeah.
Then obviously eventually this will all just go
follow through, yeah.
And then we'll be feather edging. Probably takes 24 hours, maybe a bit more, because we haven't really got that much because it's quite warm in here. I don't know how that'll dry, and obviously because you can't suck any moisture out through the tile, it probably won't dry as quick either. So I won't be able to do anything on it tomorrow, but hopefully next Friday I can grind it down any high spots and then feather edge the joints on the ply.
Ready for the floor to go down then?
Ready for the floor to go down whenever the floor gets it.
That's all we're waiting for, really.
Yeah.
And then your colleague will come in to come and help with that corner cupboard, the pantry. Yeah. You've filled up that hole up there. You just need to paint that to match. The cover up on the wall, we swapped the radiator out. Hang on, I'm just going to show up Bonnie up behind me, 1 second. Yeah, I can't remember if I said in our other video, but we changed the radiator. So not only did we get a newer one, we got one that was smaller because the old one used to go all the way up to there. And the plan is that we want to get a sofa. So we're going to have like an armchair, a side table, a two-seater, and like a small coffee table. So this will be like a nice loungy area, if you can imagine it.
Yeah,
so
swatches today, don't we?
Yeah, we haven't shown them. A company called Swift. They make really nice sofas. I found them on Instagram. Hang on, let me just try and show them. Hang on, I think it's model 2.
Right, model 1 you did say.
Oh, model 1. Yeah, they look like this, and
they do a single, a double, and a triple.
Triple, yeah. So, and they have all these different colours, and then these are the swatches.
They got some nice
neutral colours.
Yeah, neutral, that's it.
So yeah, they're the like neutral ones, but we don't really like.
I like that one, but we want a bold colour in the corner, so we are literally 50-50.
Yeah.
Between green
and blue. Everyone on Instagram is saying blue, but the people that have DM'd me have said go for green because it will look really nice with like fake plants and the fake grass we're going to get in the garden. I think blue is more us, but I am actually leaning towards blue being a nice colour for like the bedroom eventually, I think, and maybe, I don't know.
I like the blue colour better than I like the green colour, but I'm aware that the green colour you can match easier than the blue.
All the tones in here are just... I mean, that one is a pop of colour, so it's very like...
As I was saying earlier, I like how the blue goes
kind of blends a bit with the marble. I don't know, we're a bit torn, guys, so you have to let us know what you think.
We don't have to decide yet, though.
No, we don't,
We're going to get the kitchen working and livable and floor down first. And that's the main thing, is we want to match the sofa to the floor, not the other way around. So. Yeah,
we might get the floor and then be like, oh my gosh, definitely green or definitely blue. So we'll see what the floor looks like when it gets here, but... Yeah, so we can't walk out into our makeshift kitchen anymore. So we've lost our actual kitchen and our makeshift kitchen.
Yeah, so we've got to go out and round.
Not ideal. Good job we have a back door.
Yeah.
A tail's wagging. Good morning, everyone. Happy Valentine's Day. I failed miserably with vlogging last night for a few reasons. So I went out to get dinner and we both wanted different things last night.
Yes.
So I went and got my dinner and we came back and watched a little bit of Married at First Sight Australia. And then we quickly realised that Bonnie had somehow managed to walk. Right? She had managed to walk in the kitchen. We were being so careful shutting the door.
We had the door closed at all times. I don't know how.
Well, at one point it must have been open and she obviously managed to get in and walked all over the new floor that was wet.
Yeah.
Get her to sit down because look, she's climbing all over me. Sit down. So obviously she left paw prints all over the floor and that was quite a stressful experience. So I had to leave Benj to sort it out.
Feet off with a towel.
Clean her off, clean the floor.
Lucky enough she hadn't been upstairs, so it wasn't over the carpet, but I don't know.
Yeah, so that happened. And then I started the Valentine's chat with the girls and I just completely forgot to record any of it. We did face masks and we had some wine and just chatted, and we started at 7:30 and we finished at midnight. So it just was like the most wonderful chit chat. And anyway, I said to Ben this morning, I didn't vlog anything last night at all. I got a little bit merry and then went to bed at like 1 AM.
I couldn't remember you coming in.
No, you were sound asleep.
Oh,
sound
sweet,
asleep.
is it?
So our anniversary is in 10 days time, so we don't really normally do Valentine's Day. However, we have bought a joint present.
We've treated ourselves.
A new vacuum.
Ooh.
Woohoo! So yesterday, as you saw me hoovering, and I just was, it's driving me mad that...
It's a great hoover for flat floors, but it just doesn't like dig up the hair.
It doesn't take the hair out well enough, no. Yeah, I was going to speak to Vorwerk and find out what is going on, but I think it's just the way that it's designed. The hair keeps getting stuck in the bottom, the dog hair and my hair. So we need an anti-hair wrap one.
Also, it's, as I say, it's a really good hoover. It's never been a problem before we got Bonnie, and it does loads of different other functions as well. But we just need a hoover that just sucks up dog hair, which I don't think you can get in all bells and whistles one. It's just got a big hoover.
We'll still keep that one because it has an amazing function where we can clean the mattress and
the
stuff.
Sofa and that, isn't it?
Yeah, so we are, I know it sounds a bit excessive, but we are going to keep them both because that other one is good for other functions. But this new one is a shark one that we've ordered, and it was on an offer. It had £100 off, so we thought we'd get it. It was 250 quid and we went halves on it, and that's our present to each other.
I'd love to think how many people have woken up Valentine's Day morning and their partner's bought them a hoover.
Best gift ever, babe.
There you go, darling. That's a hoover you've always been talking about. Thank you.
It's actually a vacuum. Hoover's the brand.
But it's a shark, not a hoover.
No, yes, we're not buying from Hoover. We're buying Shark. Shark anti-wrap. So today we're watching Married at First Sight Australia in bed. It is, obviously I woke up at like 10 AM. It's now 11:45, so we've done absolutely nothing so far today. But that's what Sundays are for, right?
We haven't had a rest day in ages.
We haven't had a proper line like this in a while, no.
Since before Christmas.
Just with my one true love. I love her so much. Look at her. Love you, Bonnie. Of this vlog today has been an absolute fail. It is now 6 o'clock and Benji's actually been in bed for the last hour or so because he had a bit of a headache come over him, and then he started to feel like the lights were really bright, and I think he ended up having a migraine. So he went and had a little sleep, and I just tidied up a little bit, gave Bonnie her dinner. She was due her like worming and flea stuff, so not that she has either of those things, but when you have a dog you have to regularly, monthly for the flea stuff, and then every 3 or 4 months for the worming. But I've signed up to Itch Pet, who very kindly gifted us like a box with the tablets in, and then you can sign up to a subscription. So I signed up to that so that I don't ever forget, so it comes in the post, which is so handy. I've got one of my favourites, the Naked smoothies. They're on offer in Tesco right now. Blue Machine, I love this. I'm just going to pop on our dinner. We're going to have pie and mash tonight. And just in case you're wondering how the floor's looking, yeah, this happened. Obviously not ideal. And she's so cute. How can you be mad at her, hey? How can we be mad at you? It was an accident. Obviously it was wet all day, and then we were coming in and out of the room, and at one point it must have been open and we forgot, so it is what it is. But Benji said he can sand it or something, I don't know. But obviously the floorboards are going on top, but it's still not ideal. We don't want it to be this way, but never mind. All right, Dana, get down. Right, dinner's ready. I'm obsessed with peas at the moment, so I do have everything with peas.
And someone forgot to put the gravy on, didn't they?
I forgot about the gravy, yes. You feeling a bit better now?
Yeah, apparently I'm the gravy boy, so...
Yes.
Am I feeling a bit better? Yeah, all the chores didn't need to do anymore. No, genuinely, I'm like a... When I get a migraine, it's like all with lights. I don't know if that's general.
Yeah.
So I got to go and lie down. And you came upstairs and I had like a pillow strapped over my head.
I couldn't see you. You were fully under
the
the bed. Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, a couple of days later, and yesterday, whilst I was busy working away, the new vacuum arrived. So here we have our Shark corded upright with anti-hair wrap Hoover, vacuum Hoover. I just want to call it Hoover. I shared this on Instagram and I had a lot of DMs asking for a review. So I thought we'd take out the box today, quickly try it for first time, first impressions, and then I need to edit this vlog and get it up for you the day I'm filming this. So let's have a look inside, shall we? Because I don't know about you guys, but I love a new gadget. And I'm really impressed with Shark, actually. I do own their kick and flip mop that you, obviously I'm not washing the floors right now because downstairs is being renovated, but it's like a steam mop and it's amazing. That was £100, which is quite expensive, but has absolutely changed the game for us. Like, it's been so good. I thought I was cleaning the floors and then I used that and I was like, wow. So I knew that I wanted to get something better for up here, and after I did do the hoovering on Saturday, I went around the edges and like used my finger around the corners and I could still see loads of black hair, and like when you look down you can still see the black, well, hair, fur and my hair. Anyway, let's get it open. It was £250. I think it's on offer right now. I'll leave a link below if you're interested. I didn't do a load of research into it, if I'm honest. I just wanted one that was anti-hair up and good for pets, and it says pet hair removal tool, so I just went for it. Heard good things about Shark, so just said to Benj, this is what we need, and he was like, okay, let's get it then. Wow, okay, so this is our main bit. I've got to take it round everywhere with me like a handbag. All right, we're in business. Oh wow, I love the little lights. How neat. Oh, you can hear it. I don't know if you can see, but that's like black dog fur around there. Is that going to pick it up? Oh, look at those Hoover lines. Right, let's see how it does on hard floor. So right, after one room, look at that. That is absolutely insane. Okay, so I've just done the ceiling with the long bit, and this little thing slides. So I don't know if you can see that. You can use it obviously in corners and stuff. And then this, hang on, how did I do that? Oh, like that. There you go. Slides up, so you've got your bristle bit on the end. So use for fine dusting, brush head is removable. And that comes off. I don't know if I like clipped that in correctly, but that is just so clever. And then that goes back down and we can put that back on the base of our Hoover. So on the box she makes it look really easy up and down the stairs, so that's what I'm going to do next. And I've lifted the thing away, so you press the lift away button, and then I've put the little anti-hair wrap pet hair thing on the end here, but it doesn't slot in like the other things will click in properly, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong there. I've just sort of like shoved it on the end, which I'm not sure if that's the correct way to do things, but I'm going to try anyway. So you can carry this down the stairs with you, so let's give it a go, see what it's like. Sounds like a car engine. Okay, so halfway down the stairs, I switched from the pet hair thing to the other one. And as you can see, black fur on the end of that. So I think that other one is probably better, but I just wanted to compare them, but I just need to clean that off now. It's got a 5-year warranty as well, so I'm just going to take a photo of the serial number on the bottom and get it registered. Whenever you get new gadgets, don't forget to register the warranty. Okay, I'm learning something new as I go. So you lift up this little handle here and the one on the front, and that shows you where the filter is, so you replace that. And then it's just as simple as pressing that button down there, and I just emptied it into a bin bag. That slots back in like that. Bloomin' genius. Absolutely genius. So then we're done hoovering. Put that back like that, and then it's got a nice little thing on the bottom here so we can wrap it up. If I was going to find any fault with it, I would say it is quite heavy to maneuver it around corners. So it was a bit of a workout, to be honest. But it is clearly a lot better. God, hang on, I've got all this tangled up. It's clearly a lot better than our last Hoover. And I think all the features are pretty self-explanatory once you know what you're doing. And I love the fact that I can easily take off this top bit and clean in the corners, the rooms. So yeah. Absolutely love it. As we do have fluffy, thick carpet right now that only got fitted a year ago, and we have a dog with black fur, it was absolutely essential that we got something that was designed for that. And I think this is it. Perfect. I can't believe filled the bin in one Hoover, but maybe it won't be like that now. That's it from me. I need to go and have a shower and edit this vlog and do the day now because I've spent way too long playing with my new tool. So if you enjoyed this vlog, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed for more home vlogs, and keep an eye out for my kitchen renovation finished results. That's coming very soon, the before and after, and then styling and organising the kitchen as well. That's going to be coming your way very soon. So yeah, see you very soon. Have a lovely rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.